Just because
Maybe.
there, so you can see how many to qualify there. That side should be okay, or what side should we go on?
Maybe not the left, top left corner.
Not top left, okay.
No.
That one for now?
Maybe just try top right and then
There, okay.
depends on how it feels.
Okay. So,
Yeah, so,
have you sent me an invite?
no, no, I thought you were going to send me one.
Alright, okay, there you go. Sent. There you are. Cool. Let me just get the link, and then I can share it, and we can. Lines are line. Be nice. You have to wait for there to be a stream so we can share it. Because it say broadcast. Yeah, okay, we're still broadcasting. No one's watching yet. It's only been.
Okay.
Yeah, what I want to do.
It's only been like 1 minute.
So, yeah. So, I might turn the music up a little. Although people can sort of hear it. If the music's too loud, they can't hear us coming. So. See. Wait for people to come in. So yeah, I'm enjoying this one. It's still not gone live on my face. Live. Yes, it is now. We are live. So I can actually into So awesome. So have you heard of a game called No Man's Sky?
Yeah.
There was an update yesterday, and the graphics are, improved the graphics and stuff like that. And I named the planet after you.
Thanks.
There you go. So it's an Hawaiian planet.
Kind of weird.
Yeah. I was going to name the moon Luna as well. So.
Oh.
Right. Okay. So the link's gone live.
If you're watching this later in like 2025 or late, or just like after green, yeah, it's okay.
Yeah.
Because you're gonna be like, oh, confused with all this nonsense with.
Changing purpose. There you go. So cool. Right. So the link's gone live. Still just us. So we're playing Fall Guys.
Yeah.
We might play something else later. So yeah. So this is so school's out.
Yeah.
Last day of school today. So you'd have school tomorrow.
No.
So we can.
Because the teacher.
Yeah, so we can stream a little later and a little longer tonight. So there you go. But if you want to join us, there's still 2 left in our crew. We're going to fail to get lots of crowns.
Yeah, we probably will. Sometimes we can absolutely suck at the game.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
I'm not gonna lie.
It's just having a bit of fun. It's triple fame as well this week.
Yes.
So,
and I really kind of want to get some skins.
Yeah, well, there we go. So for people who don't know what skins are, they're costumes. So my costume here, I'm dressed as a white mage from Final Fantasy.
14.
That's it.
No.
Yeah.
It does have good music.
It has amazing music. So
in his opinion, and I'm a neon Grim Reaper.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can actually get this. You need to have tier 40 on one of the old fame passes. Yeah. But I'm actually using something from your fame pass.
That's true.
I'm using the meteor pattern.
Yeah.
If you don't know what a pattern is, so if you play the game with skins, so you probably know what a pattern is.
Yeah, guess right. Keep talking.
So yeah, it's like a cool skin in a way. It's the best I could explain it. So should we get started?
Let's. So what show are we trying?
Because
starting off with knockout, or are we doing duos?
Should we try squad?
We can do. See, they've also got Explore Classic. Have you seen that?
No.
So what that is are classic Mediatonic levels, OG levels, and you get to play them one after another. So I play that to relax and stuff. So,
okay.
But we're trying squads to begin with.
Yeah, I feel like he solos too much.
Yeah, so if you
look I rage, back in my day, back in the day, I used to rage on this quite a bit, but I don't care.
True.
You learn something. Once you got used to raging, then there's nothing to bother.
That's true. Although maybe I should rage about the comments about Final Fantasy XIV's music. The fact you said it's good in your opinion. I'm like, well, what's that supposed to mean? So there you go.
Yeah, no.
So
I haven't heard it, so I'm
true.
Yeah.
True. I'll let you off. Maybe because it sounded like in your opinion, but in my opinion, it sucks. That's what it sounded like.
But I think 7 has way better.
So you're looking forward to the summer holidays, mate? Yeah.
Are you?
Yeah. I don't really have long summer holidays anymore, but you know.
So why do you have
because when you have time off school, you have a couple of months, don't you? Or 6 weeks off. 6 whole weeks with.
A little bit of July, then the whole August.
Yeah.
Then
I'm just gonna try again. Matchmaking. Some people argue this is a dead game, bro. But nobody plays online, but maybe because it's Thursday nights and people just have better things to do. What better thing do you have to do than play Fall Guys? That's all. Sleep. Okay.
Yeah. I think most people sleep early. I wake up I sometimes wake up insanely early, but I mainly fixed it. It's
if we don't get any, we might have to back out of squads for the duos because we're not getting any matches, which is not,
And if we don't get duos, then we're going to explore.
Yeah.
Can we just go to duos?
We're duos.
What the?
Let's give that a go. And we'll see if matchmaking works. And there we go. You cancelled. That's cancelled. So.
I didn't know.
So.
I mean, I can't say that. It's been so long since I've what's only 2 bots that I never used.
So you said the matches count, but then we need to look for a server. I'm going to check the server as well, just in case. If it isn't, we'll have to play something else.
We've got some stuff in mind.
We have? Yeah, we've got some other stuff in mind.
Well, there's kind of one thing that we can play together.
Yeah. But we could, we can play other stuff and take it in turns and things.
Yeah, we'll play multiplayer in the game.
Yeah, that's right.
Because that is possible now.
It is indeed.
We did test it on a stream that we did using Crash.
Yep.
Guys, you'll never see over 2 streams that are legendary. And they just did them both.
Well, it's not. Okay. Well, it's not. said. Server's down, but it's matchmaking just a little bit of technical issues. So, shall we try explore? Are we doing explore classic or normal explore?
Classic. Now, if this doesn't work, we're doing knockouts.
Okay.
And if that doesn't work, I don't think. Oh.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, nice.
Cool. Yeah, so all these are old school levels, so we should be used
If
to.
you haven't played old school 4, guys, you missed out on some skins. The ones that I have.
So in airtime, we have to stay in the mist, the gold mist,
bit.
the starry bit, for as long as we can until it gets 100%.
Yeah.
So there we go.
And just don't get eliminated.
No.
I wonder how this will work. Like, if it would be like normal or different type of explore.
It's like normal. So it'd be the first to so many. Oh.
Yeah.
Now, unfortunately, we're in that corner, so I can't tell how many are going to qualify. So. Is it?
Oh, you're joking.
22.
I just got.
The fan's going to throw me off in a second. Whoops. Yep. Outside.
Just hit 12.
Oh, was it the first 12? Was it?
No, it's
There you are.
everyone.
See, I like it on this turntable bit. It's going to quite well.
Yeah, you
So-
can. But I just went
Have we gone through?
I just scrolled on.
I'm through. There we go. Let's see what Owen's up to. There we go. We can see. 74, 80%, not too shabby.
Yeah.
Or you can stay on those bongo drums. But the fan will blow you off. Oh, 92, go on. 98, 99, through. Hey. Nice. So it's going to find another level for us to play.
Now, if you've not played 4, guys, people say it's dead. That is a lie. It's still alive, as we know.
Oh, okay.
That's weird.
It was weird.
I'm on another screen.
Oh, so okay.
Okay, I guess I was glitch.
It split us up. Well, there you are. Okay. Oh, that did count now. Okay. Weird technical issues. So we've got nobody watching us, and then oh, okay. Right.
Game is glitching and no one's watching it.
Well, yeah. Okay, let's try it. There we go. There we go. Right, so hopefully that works.
That was weird.
Oh, shout out to your friend Reggie as well. I know he watches these streams, and you might be part of a future one as well, which would be quite cool. But that's
the YouTube on me.
Oh, is he a YouTuber?
Yeah.
Oh, make sure. Do you know his name?
I think it's something like Reggie.
All right, River Reggie. So like and subscribe, River Reggie. Go and find him, and like and subscribe.
And also
You know.
to ask if you would like.
It'd be nice if you liked and subscribed to us as well. So.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's really playing up tonight. So really, I'm have to go find these.
Yeah.
Echo.
Well, that worked. There you go. I'll be putting that in the chat. But it does read it as well.
Oh gosh. So
So-
it will hit echo.
Yeah.
I'm scared.
See, now people know that. I wonder if they'll make our PlayStation say silly things. Who knows?
So like once it's like, let's echo this.
I'm gonna try normal knockout and see if we get better.
Oh,
Oh, okay.
I don't know what just happened. Right.
Yeah, it's certainly not acting the way it should be.
Well, soon we'll have to move on to zombie.
We will, but we'll try. Keep trying this. No one's watching this anyway, so you. It's. Yeah. Sure. What is sugar? Okay. Is it split us up, do you think?
No.
So do you think I need to re-invite you? Hopefully that'll work.
Sorry, these are just technical. Oh.
It's alright, okay, see you. Yeah, you're there, yeah?
Yeah.
Cool.
Technical
difficulties. So. It's fine. No one's watching this anyway, so
yeah.
It's fine. We can have all the difficulties before people.
Yeah, we can have. It's funny actually, like.
Yep.
Only if someone watches the later. And
Yep.
watching down to
there you go. So,
at least no one hit it back.
Yeah.
Someone joined.
They will. We get to watch it now. You can rewind and watch it dance and start the music.
It's great.
There you go. Well, I was telling Owen about my last stream I did a stream on Sonic's birthday, and it was me playing Sonic songs. I was talking, I was giving a commentary, I even sang to the theme songs and sang to all the music, and it's only after the stream had finished I found out I was on mute. So no one heard any of that. So at least people, I hope anyway, at least people will be able to hear us. I think they can hear us because the camera's picking us up.
Hopefully.
As far as I know. We'll see. Well, we'd have to see. I can check. Technical difficulties. Technical difficulties, people. There you go. Oh, there we go. Right. Maybe. See, well, we're not looking. Oh, there we go. Cool. 10 million years later. It did, but it might have been lagging or something. Right, okay. Oh no, there is only 11 people. So I wonder if the servers have been down, because usually it's full. I mean, I play this every day. I play this. Oh, you like it? I play this every day. Usually it's a lot fuller than this. So.
I don't play this as much. I'm at the point where I don't believe. All guys fight. I'm not really sure it yet. I'm just cool.
Yes, I'm through. Oh, you're nearly through. Hey, you made it.
Yeah, I think it's top 7. Someone else. Yep, top 7. So I only know who can qualify.
Yeah.
Only if you move the camera to the other corner.
Yeah, because we're in that corner underneath where we are at the moment. It says how many people qualify. So we did have a debate. If you watch it back, you'll see us. Where shall I put us?
Yeah.
So, it's the last round already.
Wow.
There you go. So, could we win a crown for the first time in ages? Who knows?
Yeah.
Who knows?
Like if one of us win it.
It'd be nice.
So yeah.
This can be a tricky one.
Yeah. Once it gets to the end, that's when it gets hard.
So basically, it's last man standing, last beam standing. So.
I like beams.
You like beams?
Yeah.
They're not human beings. Oh.
I think that's how cool guys are cool.
Because they're human beings.
No, but living beings. But people actually think like,
Jumping beings.
hey, this cone guy's trying to kill me.
Yeah, people do try and throw you off. Usually it's me. See, look, yeah, the cone guy trying to give me a hug, throw me off.
Yeah.
And that's you. I thought you were going to try and throw me off then.
No, I'm not Barney. I don't like giving hugs. I don't know if you.
They should have a Barney costume.
Yeah.
I love you, you love me. I'm going to throw yourself off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because what I do is only use glasses and I don't jump. If it doesn't scare.
Well, if it's narrow enough, you can jump. No one's got out yet, have they?
No, one person has.
Alright, see, that's the other thing. I can't see.
Hey, 2 people! Am I here for everyone just got out instead of us?
Yeah, I don't think it's going to happen. It's immediately not leaving. It's immediately eliminated. So get faster.
Whoa! Oh my god. I've never been back.
Just have to get faster.
Oh,
that was you.
Yeah.
It's just 3 of us. So that cone guy has succeeded in kicking everybody out.
Yeah.
Because
but I want you, and I don't want you to be there.
It's really quick.
Literally, you need. It's like you can't stop running. Okay.
No. Never mind. We were third.
If I cone guy wins, I'm gonna be so angry.
Well, I'm gonna find out. I'm just back out.
Yeah, I think.
So, it's a point. Oh, yeah, no, you can't see the points either. But it's triple points, so basically that's why it's
insanely high.
Insanely high, lots of levels.
So you can be a magma wizard and I'm...
Okay, are we doing now again? Are we doing knockout again? That seemed to work last time, or shall we try a different one?
I think it's where if you play a game afterwards, it just locks me out.
Well, we don't know that yet.
It does?
Oh, you locked out?
Yeah.
No, I've not started it yet. So, yeah.
Yes, so far.
I still can't.
I guess we have to go on to plan B.
Yeah, I guess we are going to have to go to plan B, aren't we? Okie dokie. Well, we'll be right back, guys. So,
BRB.
BRB.